نرمال كنيام بيا كمال كنور أونلاين تي في شانل تكون كلير مجديد مبكونلين تكون كلير دانغرو كقيمة نتيجة كاب دينكا ويامي بان جوم بان جلين تيجا جوم شالات كير مياديت كان كورن كواراب ستيت لا governor بان جوديان بان جلين لير ورغواس مي بان راچ كقي honorable Peter Lambot Peter Lambot chan ra كقي دن وچالا دو وجن چاجين بان متود بان جلين كقي دن كجا لير ما بان شهور لير content بكون كلين كان كونون يام ميجرام جديد كان online TV channel gore je en gender subscribe kade notification bell de je twany ko de ler ti de kan chomala shub ke gwas danen pai kala rech ban jo me ban je linken turna me dut ka men shal ke magog no uda me magog deng general magog deng ajaram dan la kwar Warrap state ke governor bana jo dana chalat ga kwimen ni men chalat jiwich tinta ka Warrap state ala dinka wai ame te chema shikan kanang bana ka linken gwas me ga men chala da jen gude me wa she warning che jitup ka jidwaren ke ka dinka wai ame Warrap governor general magog deng gwada mo mi te nyur ka tino lat kan wo de me de ka lojide ko te ko te chanang re udwaren na okta to cha kanang ka dinka wayami dinka wayami chikan ga kap chala be wona na ala dindi chok wal diok no awajel kan ka mej dang wal diok Michael re meje to mai mi di long a machine gun meje ko kena toni na K47 ke ga mej ti tiene ban Michael re din ka meje to ko meje dit kan ne kendo gat ka changa kel ka pai di ron kin dangro wi jandangro wi di gat ka re wi ka Warrap state ala dini SSPDF kan ko na gat ka tike me ko ling pan chikane dina lo kan ne che tok bat chikane ku la wala no dor cha tok ko chi deni mi shiga jena gwada dan shiga hoten chawra imala de Ramadan la Warrap information minister wul mishal ga jeme sa yek bak shela do wona ne ajende ni shiga jen gwal mi shiga hoten no ko le lalu den jok wajan gwadan ba ka bu golten wa kan jelgan ga turbil cigan jelba jelgan ga turbil mi tegare de kan dang wal jok wa gwada mo shwa chu gol ngwan to ngwan ala dinka wai ami ti chori ya laka wa gwada dan jelka ka gwan la korea to tin ka kan jang ala dinka wala jang kan nyinten lo kan ga tar kan winimi so nyok kan ne ti la dinka wai ami tekan keter bo ke SSPDF lukan kuumɛ wala ka la wan ngani chang no dong de malat duno telemal kuji mo mishigari shiga shaga golon ka turbilian kel kan yor kan maji yo kan jeni SSPDF ba kanak dinka wai ami so chu to ko bikan gatup chai palaga turbilian kan ga mo ka bot shu jen chu kan chu ka bara ga dan tigatin che minister jeme sa yek ba kiraj mo che kwen mi che raj mi che choba ku de shal ka me magog deng ala governor dong Warrap state chene dial chaga chol la local chief la kwar kondi la kwar wich chaga chol gwat kel kan dial ka kwiko shi ngani ke je chen bor chicken kanang chaga jogo no gor jeno bia me to bia kanong roje ke ngani kun ke dinka wai ame roje ka kan loy ka mejok ka loy ke mej SSPDF jok kamu kana chicken mej SSPDF chicken galu jok be SSPDF soldier bika GN bikan wada dana tikken tidinka wai am tiketin kabne mai to ne kap ko bom chikan jo mai kana kwen deje gorban o deje kun to English ko deje na lingo gwa ko dobran shalat kaje ko gwa bana ngwan bana kalingo gwa chikan lar nena Warrap governor general magog deng has directed community leader in Tony East County to talk to army civilian who encircle and disarm 13 SSPDF soldier to voluntarily bring back the gun before the state government take action. This according to the State Minister of Information and Communication, James Ayikbak, who confirmed that a group of 13 SSPDF soldiers traveling in a land cruiser were ambushed and disarmed by a civilian at a village in the area on May 2025. Warrap Information Minister James Ayikbak stated that there were no injuries and the soldier made it safely back to their barrack but without their weapon. That incident happened in Tony East. The SSPDF soldiers were traveling to Romik the county headquarters of Tony, where they were ambushed at the gunpoint. They were surrounded, and yes, they were overwhelmed by the huge ambush of this army youth soldier. Gave up their army, and they were free to proceed with that gun. So they were disarmed of about 12 guns in total, including 1 machine gun. The state government spokesperson has now said Governor Magog issued an ultimatum to the army civilian to return the firearm voluntarily. Buck added that if the youth fail to do so, security force will be sent there to trace the perpetrator and forcefully return to the weapon. Governor of Warrap State has directed the community leader to talk to the dinka army youth to bring back the army before the force could be sent to retrieve the army by force. They have been given an ultimatum to return this army voluntarily. If they fail to do so, the force would be sent so that they can be able to trace these dinka army youth who were able to be forcibly returned by all means. Kan bikan maiti bikan galojok bikan denya SSPDF bikan gajaka ba dinka army ba ko gor gwadran te tin ko biga mai lojok chajo mo shajalat Warrap Governor General Magog deng ajana to kono mo ci jo me ci tok bana wo commandant and right kon kwide melaroda gwad me bana right kwi Peter Lambot Peter Lambot chana man cha lat chana jen ke man cha gor manan kurunwang Peter Lambot te jo chalan mi shi kon linga nen go cha twin kon gwad mo chala do Peter Lambot e cha je jen e ramisha yen but ken kon ngaja gwano kwale yen ni ke ngumle rode ken kon ngach but ntem che clarified general teramshe yen so anything ta dora teramshe yen so ko kujamo neden kon tilarga je an wo sha yen ke ni minika ke ge tare che jo mo che je kwen cha jo me cha je latajen ka pose de misha gwarten bangod ba be je shirga ye kelen pose de ko bu kon mandanan chalat bi konaling ala men charge post manan ka gwadan ka runwang changano dong jen charge yen batem ke post dana chagor gwasa me benyo ko menyo ka yekel biaja ngaje no jen kana kon yen ka do dana shalat ke je ka lelbo men location gwada dana teten so jene Peter Lambot in Juba, South Sudan che wena gwada me these serve to inform the general public to disregard any propaganda being propagated on social media that I have been arrested last night. Nothing of such nature had occurred and must be treated as such. Thank Peter Lambos, Juba, South Sudan. Chajo mo chajo kwenejen. Janete la ramishi misha yen nothing katin kona shala chiga talk so ko kujamo be ngajeno teram sheyen ajen jodan en kwen kona namo mugor no de jenwaka yekel ana gwaya biya tekamal banle ne je kala radian bye bye.